guys, today we are making the apple, pear, arugula, spinach salad. You can do it without chicken, you could do it with chickpeas if you want protein, but follow along for this amazing recipe. Let's get started. So first we're gonna start off with our base. We have our bowl. I'm going to be using baby spinach as well as some baby mixed greens. I'm also going to be using some dill because you can see mine's kind of turning yellow, so I just kind of want to use it up, but you can totally skip this step. It's not really a dill salad, but go for it if you have some. Now we got some feta cheese, some dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, some walnuts, apple and pear, Okay, this is where it gets tricky. I was going through my fridge for dressing, and I think this is the best one. I also have a Mediterranean Greek. I think that would go well. And then I also have Asian sesame, but they have very unique flavors. I think this one would be the closest I have to going excellent with this salad, so we're gonna use this one. Well, there you guys have it. Apple, pear, walnut salad. This is so healthy. You can add chicken if you'd like. I have some meal prep chicken right here that I may add to the side. I might just warm it up real quick. You can throw in some sliced chicken, chickpeas, roasted chickpeas for protein if you don't eat meat. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you make it, and make sure you tag me, Food Friday with Samy Bee, on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. I literally just had feta on my first bite. Oh my. It's hard to get. Oh my. You guys gotta try it. Okay, ready? Open up. Oh my god. This is 10 out of 10. My new favorite salad. The crunch of the walnuts. The salt of the feta cheese, the sweetness of the cranberries, the oiliness of this dressing. My friend's here. Go make this. I know I said my hamburger salad was my favorite, but she tops it. Cheers.